So where do we go from here in terms of finding the right place to retire? Do we look for a place where there is no income tax or no sales tax? Currently, there are about 9 states with no income tax and about 5 states without sales tax. But sometimes it's not always what it seems. I found this recent article on money.com, and I will put a link in the description below so you can read it for yourself. It basically offers examples that the government is not dumb. If there's no income tax, they'll make up the tax revenue from somewhere else. For example, Tennessee is a state with no income tax. That sounds great, but they also have the highest sales tax in the nation. States like California, New York, and some other states where property value are high. California, for example, has one of the highest property tax. True, that may be because the value of the property is so high that when you multiply the percentage, they have one of the highest property tax in the nation. But if you're working also, you also got to factor that in. States like California and New York have the highest wages. That's where you make the most money compared to other states where are cheaper to live. The wages are often much lower. Everybody knows the game. So the struggle is the same no matter where you live. Then we got to factor in other costs, insurance costs. I know that's not a property tax or any kind of a tax, but that's kind of an overall cost. Because in the article, they mentioned that other no income tax states, such as Nevada, have one of the highest driver's insurance, car insurance. It's hard to insure a driver in the state of Nevada because the rates are so high. Florida, another no income tax state, have one of the highest home insurance costs in the nation. So again, it's kind of a challenge to navigate all of that. But I guess everybody's different. Everyone's situation is a little bit different. So you got to figure out which one best fit your income situation. Then there are some states that do tax Social Security. And then you also got to look at their capital gains tax for those of you who have investments and so forth. So if you already did your homework in navigating all of this to figure out where's the best place to live in your retirement, please share it with me. Please share it with all of us.